guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've got you something new in the market, so I'm gonna review about it here in my channel today, which is none other than the brand by Mitchell, which is called Made by Mitchell. So he came up with two palettes, which are these two palettes. I'm sorry, I have already taken them out. So which is, one of them is called Feet on the Ground and one of them is called Feet on the Cloud. I'm pretty sure. Oh sorry, it's Heads in the Cloud. Okay, let's get this straight. You've got all the lovely colorful pastel color right here. Just love it, all this color, and I'm really excited to use this. This is called obviously Head in the Clouds, and the other one is called Feet in the Ground, which is, there you go, we've got a bit of camo going on, and then when you open it, I broke the mirror. Tell me about it when it comes to being clumsy. Now these are all the colors. As you can see, it is more into yellowy greenish color, but we have a little bit of color going on there, which I am really excited to use that one as well. So also I grabbed the full set of brush. It comes with 7 brushes, so which are 3 face brushes. These are the kind of brush that I really like when it comes to sizes, the details and everything, because I think you can play along with very well this kind of brush. I already love them as soon as I saw them, and I've got 4 eye brushes here. Sorry, got a little bit of color in there. I really wanted to grab the whole set of the collection itself from the brand, which retails about $270. I may be wrong, around less than 300 pounds. I really want to grab that, but as soon as the brand launched their website, within 10 minutes I was in the website and everything, well not everything but most of the things were sold out, which was pretty quick because like I said, I was there within like 10 minutes because I went to get my Chinese takeaway and I missed that 10 minutes, and then I missed the whole lot of product there, so I had to grab one each. And also I wanted to grab the whole set of blush, but you know what, since I couldn't get the whole collection, I thought I would just give it a try. The first one, this one was really gravitating towards me because it's pink. It's called Posy Rosy, and I've already tried it and I really love the color. It's a liquid blush and I'm really into liquid blush this time. It's not called blush, but it's called blush, if you can see right here. And other than that, I really wanted to grab the mirror, which was also sold out. They have got lots of makeup bags, pouches and everything. Those I'm not really into it. But other than that, these are the whole collection right now they came up with. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump into our video.
So as I've already painted my face white, so hot, I know. I'm gonna take Nitro from Peelys and I'm gonna apply it as my eyebrow, and after that I'm gonna take another base which is called Touch of Frost and apply it right underneath of it just to blend everything in together. And after that I'm gonna take Bora Blue color from Haze in Clouds palette and blend that two together. Taking another base from Peelys, which is black base, I'm gonna apply it as a to get the crease, and then I'm gonna make it more long lasting with an eyeliner from MAC. And then I'm gonna take that purplish color and I'm just starting to create some design there, just going along with whatever comes in my head. At this point I realized that these eyeshadows are really pigmented and also they blend so smoothly. They are just amazing. You're gonna love it. If you want to try it, I think you should. And then just blending in all the color, and after that I'm taking another base from Peelys which is called Winter Rose, and then just blending everything in together. Now finishing off the look with eyelashes, of course, and then we have our blush which is in Rosy Posy, or is it Posy Rosy, blending everything in together, and finishing off with the liquid lipstick. So far I love everything about this product, no doubt about it. Just love it. I'm glad that I got them. So I think that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. You got to let it go.